Welcome to the Heartful Healing Hub podcast, a soul nourishing space where stories become medicine and healing is woven through sound, energy, and remembrance. Here we explore gentle conversations, sound, and reflections that support emotional balance, nervous system calm, and a return to your own inner wisdom. I'm so glad you're here. Take a breath, settle in, and allow yourself to arrive. In this week's episode, we will explore why sound healing isn't woo. It is actually regulation, resonance, and remembering. Welcome back. I'm your host, Deanne, sound frequency and energetic healing guide and fellow traveler on the path of embodied wellness. Today, I would like to talk about something that often gets misunderstood: sound healing. You may have heard it called woo or spiritual fluff or something you have to believe in order for it to work. And I would like to gently dismantle that whole idea. Because in fact, sound healing isn't about belief. It is about biology, nervous system regulation, and yes, resonance. All right, so let's look at why sound is foundational and not fringe. Sound is vibration, and the body is not solid in the way that we once were taught. At a cellular level, we are movement, pulse, rhythm. The heart beats, the breath moves, the brain communicates in waves. So when sound enters the body, it doesn't stay at the ears. It moves through the tissues, through fluid, to the nervous system. And this is why music can calm us, or agitate us, or move us to tears. Not because of the lyrics, sometimes, although it is that, but because the body responds before the mind does. Let us take a moment here to pause for this important point about the nervous system. Most of us are not struggling because we are lacking motivation or discipline. We are struggling because our nervous system is tired. We constantly have stimulation, there is constant pressure, constant expectation. So sound, especially slow, intentional sound, gives our nervous system something it desperately needs: a steady rhythm. When our nervous system senses rhythm and predictability, it begins to settle. And when it settles, the body exits survival mode. And this is where healing can actually begin. There might be some things we carry that we don't even have words for, like old emotions, unprocessed experiences, ancestral patterns, collective stress. Sound reaches those layers without asking us to explain them. It doesn't demand insight and it doesn't force release. It simply creates space. And in that space, the body does what it knows how to do. Sound healing is not about bypassing science at all. It actually includes it. And it also honors something science is only beginning to measure. That as human beings, we heal best when we feel safe, supported, and regulated. Sound helps restore that baseline, not through effort, but through resonance. Before we close today, I would like to share what's coming next. As we move into a new month, I will be beginning a new podcast series called Healed and Whole. In this series, I will be sitting down with women who have moved through significant physical or emotional health challenges and who are now living with more clarity, strength, and self trust on the other side. These conversations won't be about quick fixes or miracle cures. They will be about lived experiences, listening to the body, finding what truly supported healing, often in unexpected ways. The first episode of the series will be my own story, a quiet telling of the path that shaped the work I do today. And if that speaks to you, I invite you to stay close. Finally, if today's conversation resonated with you, if you feel that your nervous system is a little tired or that you've been carrying more than you realize, I would like to offer something gentle. I have created a simple 7-day experience called Calm the Waters. It is designed to help the nervous system settle, restore your rhythm, and create a sense of internal steadiness without any effort or overwhelm. It is not about fixing yourself. It is all about giving the body a chance to exhale. You'll find all the details linked at the top of the show notes. Until next time, be kind to yourself, move slowly, soften the noise, and remember your rhythm. Thank you for spending time with us inside the Heartful Healing Hub. If this story moved you, please consider sharing this episode or leaving a comment. Your words help others find this sacred space. If you or someone you love has a healing journey to share, we'd love to hear from you. And finally, if you would enjoy a gentle way to unwind after listening, visit the show notes to download your free tea ritual guide, Sip and Soften, a soul-soothing gift to nourish your inner healer. Until next time, be kind to yourself and trust what has always been within you. And remember, you are whole, you are healing, you are home.